This is number 11 from the 2025 Algebra 1 EOC. It says, what is the value of x and the solution to this system of equations? So we have 3x minus 5y equals 12 and y equals negative 6x plus 2. So because we already have a variable by itself, I'm going to use substitution. And so basically because y is equal to negative 6x plus 2, we can substitute the negative 6x plus 2 in for this y in the other equation. So when we do that, we'll have 3x minus 5 times negative 6x plus 2 is equal to 12. Now we can just solve the equation. So we're going to distribute the negative 5 to both terms. That's going to give us positive 30x minus 10 is equal to 12. And we're going to bring down our 3x on the left. Now we have 3x plus 30x, so we can combine those like terms to make 33x minus 10 equals 12. Now we're going to add 10 to both sides. That's going to cancel and leave us with 33x is equal to 22. Now to get x by itself, we can divide by 33 on both sides. And so that's going to leave us with x is equal to 22 over 33, which simplifies down to 2 over 3. And if we look at our answer choices, we're going to go with letter C. If you're getting ready for the Algebra 1 EOC, or you just want help with Algebra 1 in general, go check out my website that has every single video lesson for Algebra 1 you will ever need. You can search for any topic, find practice problems to work on, and get 24/7 homework help from an AI tutor. If you want to check it out, just comment all day and I'll send you the link.